Hindi na tayo. Ang layo na natin.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Shin Hotaka Ropeway. We're taking you to Nishi Hotaka Guchi Station at an elevation of
It's your fault because you don't know
2,156
how to
meters.
eat properly.
Please be aware
Is
that
that
the
your
cabin
fault?
might sway when we pass over the supporting towers.
Masyadong mafag. Lamig sa labas.
Kayo po eh.
Lamig mo. Yun ang makita. Sobrang nag-frost.
Baby niya ako.
Yun o, malalim.
Attention, we're passing over the supporting tower.